Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve not loading on Clash of Clans, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.